Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Artistic Soul. In this video, I will show you how I did a goddess jumbo braid. Watch me go from this little ponytail to this long jumbo goddess braid. And these are the products that I used. Rat tail comb, denim brush, Janet Collection Easy Tex, braiding hair. I also used Shine-In Jam conditioning gel. I used rubber bands, and I used 2 bundles out of the pack of synthetic hair. Before we go any further, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey, this is where the magic happens. This is my hairstyle that I wore for my birthday during quarantine time, where a lot of things were closed, but we could still, kind of go outside. And so I'm basically applying this gel all over my hair in sections to make sure I get the gel all through my hair so that my ponytail can lay flat. This brush is amazing. It gets through my kinky, coily hair, allowing my hair to lay as flat as possible. I've gotten my hair to stretch as much as I can get it so that I can attach the synthetic hair onto it using the rubber band. We're going to take a brief pause from this video so that I can tell you a little bit more about my hair and the perceptions that I had about my hair. I felt that as an adult, my hair was nappy, it was coarse, it was unmanageable, unattractive, not something that you would let outside of your 4 walls of your home, that it only is out so that you can wash it and blow dry it. I've broken blow dryer combs, regular combs. You could not feel my scalp by running your fingers through it. And so I just didn't like it. And over a period of time, after cutting my hair and accepting my traction alopecia, I began to feel differently about my natural hair, what God had given me, that I am pretty, that I am confident, that kinky hair is sexy, that black hair is beautiful. But I digress. Now back to the video. Yes, I was able to snatch all that hair up into a ponytail so that I can add the synthetic ponytail to my hair. The way I did that was I kept the rubber band on that came with the synthetic hair. And I just took that rubber band and I attached that rubber band to my hair, wrapping it around numerous times so that I can cover up my personal braiding hair. I added another bundle from the hair, attached that by using the rubber band. Wanted to make sure that it was secure and in place. We don't want the wind to blow and I may not have my ponytail piece. I mean, I know my husband would still love me, but still, why put him through that? And so I was able to do that. I took that second bundle of hair and wrapped it around the first bundle of hair. I pinned it down with Barbie pins and hairpins. Definitely wanted to make sure everything stayed in place. Now we've come to the end of my video. I just braided my hair in one large jumbo goddess braid, dipped it in hot water, and wore it outside for my birthday. This is my quarantine hairstyle. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification button below. Like, comment, and subscribe.